Instagram allows users to change their display names twice within 14 days. Meta-owned Instagram is one of the leading picture-sharing platform which is used by millions of users across the world, while the social media app keeps on updating its features to facilitate the users. Unlike other apps, it also offers the flexibility to change usernames. However, it's crucial not to confuse the username with the display name. Difference between username vs display name. The display name appears below the user's profile picture and can include emojis and special characters. The username is unique to each account and is used for identification purposes. Instagram allows users to change their display names twice within 14 days. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change your Instagram username. Changing username on Instagram. Log into your Instagram account via the iPhone or Android app. Ensure you're logged into the correct account if you have multiple accounts. Tap the avatar icon at the bottom right to access your profile. Select Edit Profile under your bio. Tap on the username field and enter your new handle name. Confirm your new username by selecting the blue checkmark. If you intend to change your display name, tap on the name field instead. Changing Instagram username on PC. Open a web browser and navigate to instagram.com. Log in with your credentials if prompted. Click on your profile icon on the right side of the homepage and select Profile. Choose Edit Profile next to your username. It's essential to remember that Instagram allows users to revert to their old usernames within 14 days if they change their mind or make a mistake during the process, provided the username isn't already claimed by another user. What to do if your desired username is taken? If the username you want is unavailable, Instagram will notify you after submission. Consider adding numbers or underscores to make it unique. Additionally, keep checking back, as usernames may become available due to account deletions or removal of fake accounts.